My name is Kathuria Kimathi and welcome to my channel, Learn Maths with Kathu. So in our last lesson, when we were talking about writing numbers in words and vice versa, I left you with a question for practice. Did you try answering the question? Did you? If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you're all on the same page, okay? So what was the question? What's the total value of 4 in this number? 563 billion, 254 million, 328,926, okay? So in this question, I was testing two things. You are supposed to write the words to numbers and then find the total value of 4, okay? So let's start by converting the word to numbers. You need to know the basics, okay? You need to know a billion has 9 zeros, a million has 6 zeros, 1,000 has 3 zeros, okay? And in fact, the place value of whole numbers can help you understand what I'm saying here. So I'll leave the link in the description box below, okay? And remember, in our last lesson, we said that the easiest way to write words to numbers is to separate the numbers and add them slowly but surely. Okay? And when you're adding, of course, don't forget to learn the digits in terms of their place value, okay? So, and digits is another term you need to be conversant with. So, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Okay? So, let's add the numbers. Okay? So, we have 563 billion. Okay? 563 billion. And we said billion has how many zeros? 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? 563 billion. 254 million. 254 million. Million has 6 zeros. Okay? 328,000. So we'll write our 328,000 here. 926. 926. Okay? So when we add this, what will we get? 6, 2, 9, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 6, 5. Okay? So when we add all this, we'll get this. Okay? And that's how you write numbers that's how you convert words to numbers. Okay? So now that we have the number, can you find the total value? That's a topic that we did some time back. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So the total value, we said, is derived by multiplying the digit and the place value, okay? So that means that the total value of 4 will be derived by multiplying the digit, which is 4 times the place value. What is the place value of 4 in this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions. The place value of 4 is millions. So that means that the total value of 4 will be 4 times a million. Okay? So that means that the actual total value will be 4 million. Are we together? And that is the answer. So that means that the total value of 4 in this number is 4 million. Okay? And that's about it. So let's now go through today's topic. Today, I'd like us to talk about even and odd numbers. Who's as excited as I am? Yay! Let's get into it. Woo! Okay. Even numbers. Let's start with even numbers, okay? Even numbers are basically all the numbers that end with the digits 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay? So even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2. They are multiples of 2. So how do you know that a number with more than one digit is an even number? We should always look at the digits in the ones number place, okay? So if the digits in the ones number place end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then those are even numbers, okay? So if we've been given a number like this here, okay, is this an even number? Is it? Yes, this is an even number because the last digit, which is 8, is an even number, okay? So now that we've learned what even numbers are, it's also important to know what odd numbers are, okay? Odd numbers. So what are odd numbers? What gives us the right to call a specific number an odd number? Odd numbers are all the numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Okay, so in short, we can say that numbers that are not even numbers are odd numbers, okay? Because numbers are either odd or even, okay? So that means if a number is not an even number, then that automatically means it's an odd number, okay? So a number like this is an odd number, okay? And why do we say that? It's an odd number because the digit in the ones place, 9, is an odd number, okay? And the fact that the last digit of this number is an odd number automatically makes the entire number an odd number. Are we together? And that's it for even and odd numbers. So as per usual, I leave you with one question for practice. Okay, this is the question that I want to leave you with. How many odd numbers are there between 100 and 120? Okay, so yeah, we'll answer that question in our next video, in our next lesson. So that's basically it. Math is pretty easy and fun, right? Exactly. Always remember to practice until it becomes second nature. Practice makes perfect, okay? So now that you've understood what even and odd numbers are, in our next lesson, we'll cover operations on odd and even numbers, okay? So we'll take the odd and even numbers that we've learned today and go into more detail, okay? So if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, share, because sharing is caring, and subscribe so that you don't miss anytime I upload a new video. Subscribing is free. Yay! Okay, see you in 2 weeks' time. Same place, same time. Bye!